Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Utility maximization gets easy fast when you compare bang for your buck and use the budget to spot which combo really wins. To maximize utility, Olivia should spend all $10 on the mix that gives the greatest total satisfaction. So we compare marginal utility per dollar for chocolate and pizza. For chocolate bars, each bar costs $1, so the marginal utility per dollar is just each chocolate marginal utility number itself, which makes those comparisons quick and clean. For pizza slices, divide each marginal utility by 2 because each slice costs $2. Then choose the affordable bundle that best matches, giving option F. Well done! Option C. Scan now, avoid rushing signs or choices. Trust the given information and check each step carefully.